Everyone online has seen the classic split shot where it's above and below the surface of the water, whether it's half your friends swimming underwater in the pool and the other half of your friends jumping above the surface of the water. Those shots are pretty iconic, and this is the device that you use to get them. I'm Chris Rogers. I am a filmmaker and co-founder of GDome, and today I'm really excited to present to you guys the GDome Mobile, the first universal dome port for the smartphone. Back in 2014, when the concept of GDome first came to us, there were a few other products, but the price point was just way too high. We wanted to create something just as good, just as robust, that could do the job, but at a way more affordable price point, and that's where the concept of GDome came to life. Usually when shooting underwater with the GoPro or any camera for that matter, the field of view is decreased because the water magnifies your shot. With the dome, you're going to get your real field of view. Because it's universal, if your camera has two lenses, which is going to allow you to capture things like portrait mode, 3D photos, shooting over 1,000 frames per second with video, it is also compatible with third-party lens adaptations on your smartphones in the GDome Mobile. We've used 6 easy-to-use thumb screws, which allows for you to easily insert or remove your phone. We have the back plate here and a foam insert which you can cut and customize to whatever phone you have. And we also have a Bluetooth remote. We've created a nice handle and a good grip on this side to allow your video shots to be a lot more stable. For over the last year, we've been developing and testing this product, putting it through vigorous R&D processes. Each dome is individually pressure tested so that we can ensure that the best dome is coming to your hands and that it's going to work straight out the box. The GDome family, we've shipped these products to all corners of the globe, as far as Iceland, Canada, Australia, Russia, South America, Argentina, Brazil, which has been really exciting. Coming from a small company out of South Africa, that's a pretty cool thing to see. It's safe to say that our content creators that use the GDome have really showcased how amazing this product is and how easy it is to get that split shot or capture amazing underwater photos. Now with GDome Mobile, we're really opening up the doors for anyone and everyone with a smartphone to be able to easily capture split shots or really amazing underwater photos or videos. I think the footage we're going to see come out of this product is going to be on a whole nother level, and we're potentially going to see things we've never seen before.